Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I have got an unboxing and swatching video for you, and it is for this Modelones set. I've been waiting for this for so long. I've been asked to review this a while ago, but it took me a while to actually get it in my hands, so I can't wait to use it. So let me just show you what the box looks like. So here are some instructions, which I think is really good. It shows you step by step exactly what you're doing. So if you are new to gel polish, you can follow those and you will know what to do. And then these are all the colours. There are 16 colours. It's a 16 piece. There is a base coat and top coat as well. So I am going to be swatching all of these for you today. I'm so excited to have all these colours. I love these colours. There are, I'll put a picture up of the Amazon website where I bought this with the price on and everything, but there are two sets to choose from. This is set number 2, I think. Set number 1 has got some brighter colours in it, but I wanted this one because there are quite a few sort of grey toned colours and I haven't got any greys, and I really do like the grey, and I've just got some glitter that will go with it really nicely. So yeah, these are like sort of more pastel or autumny colours. There is one here. This one is a glitter one. So I'm going to get on with the swatching. Don't mind my nails. This look will be on my channel soon. But if you look, they are really, really grown out. I'm about to do them in a few days because I'm going to a wedding next week. So they are super long. I don't think I've ever had nails on this long for a long, long time. So yeah, right, I'll just get all these out and then I'll start swatching on the swatch sticks. So I'll come back in a minute. Okay, so I've got them all out now of the box. They were really in there stuck well, so it took me a while to get them out. And I just wanted to show you that the base and the top coat are the full size, so they are 10ml bottles. But these are obviously a lot smaller, so these are mini bottles, so they are 6ml. So I'm just going to swatch them all and put some music on. I'm not going to talk, and then I will come back to you at the end when I've swatched them all. So see you on the other side. Okay, so I'm back and here are all the colours together. I hope you like this swatch video. I thought it would be better if I just put the music on rather than talk through all the colours and tell you how I love them all, because I do. I love every single one, and that's what you would have heard from me on every single one. So I think my favourite one has to be the sort of dusky pink one, and that's called Poetry. I absolutely love that one. Yeah, that is my favourite, but I love the baby blue one, I love the lilac one, I love the pink ones, I just love them all, to be honest. Now the first one that I did, that is the glitter one, and that's more like a topper because it's very, very sheer. So I'm just placing it on some of the colours to show you what it would look like over the top of them. So that's a really good idea, I think, for them to put one of those in, because then you can just sort of like jazz up any colour that you want to wear, just by putting a coat of that on top of it, and it just changes it. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you to all my original subscribers and everyone else. Everything, all the links will be in the description box for you, so go and check that out. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.